Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, today is indeed a great pleasure to receive the buildings from China UNDP project, which to my mind heralds a new phase in the China-Dominica relationship. The government of Dominica commends the effort of our developmental partners following their contributions towards rebuilding and rehabilitation of our damaged buildings and infrastructure. We are aware that Hurricane Maria dealt a serious blow to the Dominica State College. The 6 buildings built by the Chinese government all lost their roofs. Other damages sustained included the technical building, the agricultural center, the hospitality and tourism facility, automotive and carpentry rooms, the nursing skill lab buildings in this upper section of the campus, the dining gazebo in the food court area, among others. Just about 1 year ago, the Dominica-China UNDP project started this rebuilding effort. This project budgeted at $3 million. It was budgeted at $3 million. The UNDP initiated this project based on a request from the Government of Dominica in agreement with the Ministry of Commerce of the People's Republic of China. The China Aid project involved the procurement of materials and equipment to support the installation of the roofs. Funding came from the South-to-South Cooperation Assistance. Today, all 6 buildings constructed by the Chinese government have been fully re-roofed. The government of the Commonwealth of Dominica is indeed grateful, and I must say that a donation like this is an indication of the strength and the nature of the partnership between the government of the People's Republic of China and the government and people of the Commonwealth of Dominica. Dominica and the PRC have enjoyed close to 1.5 decades of long-standing friendship and partnership. Today's handing over is no doubt another tangible evidence of the People's Republic of China's support to the Commonwealth of Dominica. A support that I am convinced will continue to strengthen and advance our relationship. Today we are deeply appreciative of the valuable support of the UNDP for the implementation of this project. In fact, following the passage of Hurricane Maria, UNDP has been involved not only in the work here at Dominica State College, but supported the Ministry of Housing with the comprehensive building damage assessment. This resulted in 29,431 buildings being assessed. And we really wish to express our profound gratitude to the UNDP for the assistance that has been forthcoming over the last year. But under the project here at Dominica State College, the procurement and logistics of materials and tools procured through the project within the Ministry of Education. For example, it was not just limited and restricted to the Dominica State College. Of noteworthy mention is the support for the Woodford Hill Primary School, the Penville and Benz preschools, and currently they are working with the Ministry of Education, providing supervisory and technical support in the rehabilitation of the Salisbury Primary School. Through these projects, UNDP is actually helping to build capacity among our people, and we are indeed grateful for this, because your invaluable contribution shall never go unnoticed by us here in Dominica. I believe that we need to use this opportunity to recognize the contribution of Engineers Without Borders. And I must say that Jim and his team have been exceptional in every respect. We commend you for the tremendous effort that you have made, designing, providing quality assurances, and you have ensured that the highest technical quality of roofs will or have been put in place to ensure that we realize our resilient building objective. The People's Republic of Cuba played a pivotal role in providing 80 Cuban builders for this project. The 80 experienced Cuban builders, including 4 engineers, worked in quick time to ensure that they covered approximately 65,000 square feet. And they were able to deliver on time, and I think this was exceptional. In fact, at one time, myself and a subcommittee of the cabinet, we were fearful that the objective would not have been realized. But thankfully, here we are today. Ambassador, please convey our deepest gratitude to the government and people of the Republic of Cuba. You will witness today the official handing over of a project costing well over $1 million US. However, while the focus was mainly on re-roofing, there is still some buildings that are incomplete. Among the outstanding works, we still have painting, electrical works, and other ancillary works to be done. But I believe we have come a long way when we think back 14 months ago. Let me note here that China's support over the years to our upgrading of the education system here in Dominica is indeed a testimony of the strong fraternity and partnership between our two countries and our two peoples. And I wish to reiterate our commitment, Excellency, to working with the People's Republic of China and our partners to deepen engagement on dialogue on political, economic, and other critical areas. In closing, allow me once again to say thank you to all our partners, Cuba, the UNDP, Engineers Without Borders, and the People's Republic of China. But I want, at this moment, to go on public record stating that all of this could not have been achieved without strong, resolute, visionary leadership. And I wish today to commend the Honorable Prime Minister Roosevelt Skerrit for his astute leadership of the affairs of state. Leadership is everything. And as I do so, let me reiterate my firm belief that the existing bonds of friendship between our countries and organizations will serve not only our current needs, but also you have further buttressed the foundation of our mutual benefits and relations for many, many generations to come. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for enduring to listen to my boring speech. Thank you very much.